Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're going to do some mystery challenges at the practitioner level. All right, let's get started. So I'm almost done with this. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm thinking either some reverse engineering, binary exploitation labs, like going through Nightmare, the Nightmare course, maybe going through try Hack Me or Hack the Box Academy. Try Hack Me, I think I can record all of it. Hack the Box Academy, I'm not really sure what I can record there, but I'll do my best. I also have Proving Grounds. We could do play, but I'd rather wait for that until I have a little bit more experience finding the vulnerabilities before jumping in on Proving Grounds. So that means either try Hack Me or Hack the Box Academy, and of course, some kind of reverse engineering, binary exploitation, CTFs. That would be great. All right. Anyway, enough fooling around. Let's look at this. So we've got a submit solution, a shop. We've got nothing special here. Let's start clicking through. Ooh, we've got this. So is this going to be one of the logic ones? Let's see if we've got an account. It is a logic one. That's no good. All right, I have to buy this jacket. Let's see. I'm no good at these. HTTP history. Let's see how this worked. So we have a redirect quantity. We have a quantity. So let's try taking something that is cost the most besides that jacket. This one. Add to cart. And let's go here. Send to repeater. And let's do -3. We'll send that. And then we'll go to the cart. Cart is empty. Add to cart. We have a coupon. Maybe this is the one where you home. Let's remove this one and go to try to buy the cheapest thing. There's a 13, here's a 3. Cart. What? I just want one. Place order. Order is on its way. So what if we now added this one? Add to cart. Go to the cart. We've got just that. And then proxy. So this is order confirmation. Instead of sending this, the checkout, what if we just copy URL and went here? You have not checked out. Okay, so it's not this one. Coupon. there's no coupon. We can't do a negative, right? We don't have the ability to write a different price. Add to cart. Just going to remove it. Product quantity -1. If I sent this to repeater and sent it again, check the cart. It didn't show up. We cannot. What happens when we hit the checkout? Not that one. Postcard checkout. We just have a CSRF. So we know the objective to buy this jacket. Store credit. His name is so blah. Go here. All right, let's start looking through some scripts. Courses, web security, CD. What is it? It is business logic. Not business logic, but just logic vault. All right. I thought authentication, encryption oracle. No. Flawed state machine. I don't think it's an authentication bypass. Let's do cat excessive. What's this one? This one allows us to modify the price. I don't think we can do that. This one has the multiple cookies, so we can't do that one. This is what I need to do. I need to go through and comment on all of these to make it easier to figure out. And we tried this, right? Product 11, quantity 13. We tried that with this one. Let's go here and go to intercept on, add to cart. Here, product -13, forward, intercept off. If I go to carts, didn't show up. Okay. So it's not that one. Exceptional. No. That's a delete Carlos one. We want a cat inconsistent security. Nope, that's another delete Carlos cat infinite money logic ball. This is a coupon one, right? Yeah, sign up 30. But we don't have a coupon, so it can't be that. Cat inside. We tried this one. So this one, you add it to cart and then you visit the order confirmation confirmed equals true. When we did that, we saw we hadn't checked out. Cats low level. What was this one? Orders equals 320. Oh, this one. So this is like a number overflow one. Orders equals 34 in range. We have left cookies quantity 99. So yeah, this is adding that until we get it under. I'll bet you that's what it is. So let's go here. View details. I'm going to do 99. Add to cart. Cart. Okay, so that's our current price. Now we want HTTP history. And to hit this one, send to repeater. Actually, we need to send it to intruder. And let's send this. I'm going to do position because I want to send it 324 more times. Yeah, 300. Let's just do 324 more times. I'm going to do cart, question mark, add. Nope, I should have cleared first. Add. Go to payloads. Go to numbers. From 1 to 3 to 4. Step 1. Start attack. And this should be just, oh, crap. I forgot. It's going to add one more. So I should have done 323. Well, let's see if this actually works. And then if it does, we'll redo it with the correct number. We have to wait. We're 1/10 of the way through. So this is a good chance to comment this. So I'm going to vim low logic flaw. And I'm going to add some triple quotes. Number overflow. Whoops. This lab allows me to enter in so many jackets that the total price exceeds the what is that called? The integer range, which will then circle around to whatever, to a large negative number if done enough times you, if done the proper, if the jacket is added the proper number of times, the cart will go from a positive number to a negative, and then you can get it to approximately 0. All right, that's good enough for me. And my goal here with kind of documenting these scripts a little bit so that when I glance at it, I can easily tell what they do. I want this to be on its own line and this to be on its own line. Might as well delete this and put, we have the time. Might as well clean this all the way up, huh? There we go. All right, let's take a look at the cart and see where we're at. Ah, yep, it sure was. Sweet. All right, if we miss the mark because of me not remembering that Intruder does that first one right here, I'm just going to run the script. We know how to solve it. We were able to figure it out, so I don't see any harm in just running the script to solve it. But we're approaching, so we're at 6 million right now. Pretty cool. And I don't know how I want to document these things the best. I kind of like this. And then my idea is that I can like CD Courses Web Security Academy. I need to fix this so it opens in the same directory. But then I can grep dash I like overflow and get, oh, whoops, grep dash RI overflow, except I need to remove .venv. Grep help exclude dir exclude dir equals, it's a glob. So do I have to escape the period? Yeah, this will work. And then I get limited, so then I can pick like, oh yeah, this one. That's only if I know what overflow is. You know, only if I know that it's an overflow. So I don't know. I don't have a great way to. Oh, I did overshoot it by 202,000. Okay. So we're going to discard this. We did figure it out. I'm going to copy home and then go here, CD, logic flaws, Python. Oh, let me do actually one thing. Seba, what's wrong here? Oh, that doesn't work in fish? Then unsupported use in fish. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that, or go back to freaking ZSH. Seba, CD, Seba, Python, and then CD, logic, flaws, Python, low level, logic flaw with copy link. There. Okay. All right, so we'll just give it a minute. And I guess I can figure out how to do. I kind of like fish, but I don't. If it's going to, there's two things I need to fix still. Number one is source env bin activate. Source env bin activate in fish. Activate user. Well, great. Oh, is there a fish? Let's try that. So I'm going to move this one to the main screen. And I need to figure out how to get this CD courses, Web Security Academy, ls.venv bin activate fish. So instead of Seba, should I put it like SEBF? That seems reasonable. SEBF. And that will be source env bin activate, but for fish. All right. Since we've got a minute, let's try that. So I'm going to do change directory to config fish functions and vim seba. No, I'm going to cp seba to sebf dot fish vim. Ooh. What if no, I want it to remain Seba. Yeah, I do. So let me rm sebf. I just want to type in Seba, and if it's ZHS, it'll work. If it's fish, it'll work. So vim Seba. Here, I'm going to change this to activate.fish. All right, now courses, Web Security Academy, and Seba. There we go. We can see that the virtual environment is active, ready to go. Sweet. The only thing else I want to fix, fish open terminal in same directory. Terminal, how to open new terminal in previous directory. Yep. Conf D. Let's try that. How recent was this? Very recent. Cool. So vim config fish conf .d slash, and what did they call it? Starting dir. starting dir.fish. All right, let's try it. Hey, it did work. All right, this one opened to the same directory. Sweet, and we're just about done. 44 more left. Let's see how the cart's doing. Oh, we got a new, I can't actually check the cart because we got a new session. Pretty cool. So we'll go 1 for 1 to start out the day. I'll just, wow. 3, 2, 1. No. What? We need to grab the, oh, I don't know the session. Dang it. Do I? I didn't print it out. CSRF. No, I don't even know the dang session. So I can't. We could go proxy and see. We got it off by at least one. Here's the session. So we can go to this, copy, and we can edit our cookies, session, save, and go to the cart. And see, this is a problem. We could add one more of these. Will that be less? I don't think it will. Oh, and it's because the price of whatever product I added is not the same as the first time they randomized. Okay. So we need to find, here's the problem. If I add this, that will be over $100 because there's $100 difference, or over $100, right? Between these two, like 150. That's just a wag. Not a wag, but like a quick look. So if I add this one, so it's currently at, how many do we need? Oh, we need to get it. Dang it. Tell me I didn't just mess it up. I went too far. Oh, I can minus these. I can minus this one. Oh, no. We do need that one. Dang it. Sorry. I keep messing up. It's a negative number. We need it to be a positive number. So we need like 12 of these. 12. Go to cart. And then we'll add a couple of these. Two more. One more. Boom. Place order. Solved it. Woohoo. All right, so there was an issue with this script, and that's because I hard coded the product ID 10. And I need to, if I were to rewrite the script, I would need to figure out which product ID costs, close to 100. Or pick a product ID, like a static one, and then just add enough so it counteracted the negative number. But I'm not going to do that. Anyway, we solved it. Let's move on to the next one. Challenge me. Oh, crap. I didn't right click. Let's stop this and just do it. Right click. So I'm probably going to do this. Today's Wednesday. Probably going to do it Thursday, Friday, and maybe Saturday, and then plan on taking the practice test on Sunday, depending on how things go. So we have submit solution home. Let's do blah here. And let's do this. Well, I don't expect this to work. It does not. Because I think that would be an easy one. Like a S blah. Name Wiener Peter at blah.com. No website. Post comment. Back to blog. Didn't work. Back to blog. Scroll down. Don't see anything too egregious. Let's see if we have an account. Wiener Peter. No, we don't have an account. All right, now let's look through the history, for this lab, which was 0A54. So we start right here. I need to actually go like this, just so we can see. Let's close this and give us a little bit more room on the right. Perfect. So all I'm looking for is anything that stands out. That could be a script. It could be a link. I don't see anything there. Robots, TXT, SVG, mystery. It's not that. Not Logo Academy, PS Lab. Post. This was a search. We got, there's no CSRF in this search, but that's okay. I didn't check the cookie. Session, secure, HTTP only, same site. Okay, let's go back to the search. And we're going to look through this. What we search for is reflected. Let's see what. This is the back to lab button. Thinks there's nothing there. I don't see anything. And then this is the search. And it properly coded all of that. So that's no good. All right. Let's check target 085, right? Yep. Let's do extensions, request smuggler, launch all scans. I don't know why I can't. Well, that sucks. Let's move it to 0. How do I? What is going on here? Extensions. Request smuggler. Launch all scans. I don't know what. It's the first time this happened. Where I can't see. I can't resize it or move it. No. I don't know what that button did. Hopefully that made it run. Let's check flow. It didn't. It's not running. Let's try this again. Target. Extensions. Quest smuggler. Launch all scans. I do want to launch all scans. So I'm going to highlight that one. Hit tab. Whoops. Did that do it? Where's flow? Yes. Cool. Okay. So I thought request smuggler might be a good one. Let's also run param miner. Guess params, guess everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check those. We only have the session cookie. It is not a serialized object because it starts with, whoops. We can get rid of this one. Remove from toolbar. Because how it starts, its format, Z5, it's not any serialized format I recognize. We don't have an account. So let's go through 4, 5P, Xmind, and we'll go look at the test stages. I thought I had a lot more. Save this. I don't know why it's not saved. Open. We're going to visit file and go test stages. Then we're going to file, close window, and go to this one. So we have no account and we want to get an account, right? SQL injection, no. Cross-site scripting, maybe. CSRF. There's no real forms. Well, let's check the login form. But we would have to be able to, no, that won't do it. So click jacking, maybe. Click jacking. But again, we need to find a place for them to do it. Cores. No. We need an example, right? Request smuggling. That's what we're trying now. Access control. Bypass access control. Ooh. What about something like that? Where it's just like Go to admin. That's what it is. If logged in as administrator. Okay. So, cool. We know what it is. Hopefully, param miner will be able to find something. I want to go to flow. This is still request smuggling. Here's param miner. It's doing its thing. Oh, my nose itches. All right, so let's give it just a minute here. Whoops. To try to access. We can, we can try guessing at the headers, or we can start looking at some scripts. CD. This would be in, I want to get better at this. Control L? Yeah. What would it be in? Authentication. I think it's in authentication, not brute force password. No. It's in logic, right? Is this a logic one? Authentication, encryption oracle. Did we see an encryption oracle? I don't think so. I think it's by flawed state machine. So this we're allowed to log in, so it's not that. Flawed enforcement cat flawed. Nope. High level. This is a cart one. Inconsistent handling. What is this? Shop. So it's a shop, but it's a register. We can't register. So it's not that one. Cat inconsistent security controls. Wow. It's a register. That's not it. Low level, weak. We can log in, but I don't know what this one is. We somehow changed the password of the administrator, which is cool, but not what we can use. Let's see. Secret input header. Origin. Let's try our trace, just in case it's that one that I don't really like very much. So let's send, can we do it in, yeah, why not? TRAC. Not found. Oh, I need to trace to /admin. Unauthorized. Only available if logged in as admin. So it's not saying that it's only available to local users. It's saying only if we're admin. So I don't think we have the right vulnerability yet. could we modify? Well, I didn't see any scripts to modify the origin where the origin would, make a difference, right? Request. So let's send to repeater. Let's send this. No, not this one. This one has origin. Target. Request 2. Send to repeater. Send. And then we're going to search for ZG4 0 matches. And that's in the origin. So if it's not here, it's not an exploit, even though it allows the origin header. Target. Still don't have anything. All right, let's go nuclear and do active scan. Where? Let's active scan just this page. Not the whole site, because we don't necessarily need to scan all the blog pages. Home page, hidden HTTP2. Now we're getting somewhere. If logged in as admin. Sweet. All right, so request smuggling. What do we want? Basic. No, it's an H2 one. Like that. Cat H2. Or should we cat it? Vim H2 bypass. How in the world would I have gotten this one? So what does this do? What it's a blog. We send initial tunneled request, which is this. We do head search list headers. Here's all the headers. Let's try just that much. See if we've got it right. So I'm going to go down here and do that. Go over here and do Seba CD. What is it? Request smuggling. Python. H2 bypass via request toggling. Copy link. Paste. We'll see how that worked. Which I don't see it here. What? Where's the head? We don't. Oh, we can't proxy that. Okay. So let's resp. What do we do? Extract front end key. So what does extract front end key do? X front end key. So let's send this. Nothing too crazy here, just a long ass search. I want to copy this to here. Let me paste it before I lose it. Okay. Let's go here and do a search, blah, to, post. This is the search, right? It's got to be send to repeater. Peter, let me make this bigger. Here's the blah. Oh, this is a get, not a post. So let me go actually to proxy and go to like this page, send to repeater, and I'm going to paste that here, and it did a head, right? 3. It did a method head. What? Oh, and then it smuggled a post. Foo X smuggled a post. Where search B. Request headers. So we formatted, and then we sent the request and returned the response. We did a head with this, just that. And this was, it's all H2. Let me delete, let me switch it to H2. The way I do that, not there, is, I forgot. This is the user interface, but not, there we go, right there. Change it to H2. Delete all of this. Add a foo X. Request query botter headers. I want to add foo value X /r/n/r/n. And that is going to be get/admin. This is all one. So everything goes in one header. Is that what I'm thinking? Yep, with a value of 0. And it's in the, it's all in the name. Is that right? Foo : X. All right, let me copy this. Oh, this is send. No, I want this one. Because that's once we know the headers. Blog host. Change that to where can I get that? I can get it here. The host is just this part. All right, so we have foo X post host Condentite. I don't know. Let's send it. In the repeater menu, we want to force. I thought it was right somewhere here. Where did they move that? Allow. There we go. Send. No response back. Let's go here. See if we got any more. Is it still running? Flow. What is running? This is still param miner. Param miner. Where's the... Here we go. So it's still running. The request... Quest smuggler still running. Slow as crypto. Proxy. Don't like that my request didn't get a response. I didn't need to send a follower, did I? It's this one. Head/search. Foo. All of this. List headers. It's in a tuple. All of it together. Quest headers. Return resp. So down here. No. Doesn't look like I needed to send a follower. Maybe. Send it initial. So let's look at the H2 request. Utils. Request smuggling. Format. This is how we format the headers. So it's a list of tuples, right? With the name here and the value here. So when we sent this over, a list of tuples with just the name and an empty value. Okay, so I definitely did that right. Now, we return the and send request, right? What method did we use? H2 request. So open the socket, we send it. I don't see any issues, but we didn't get a response, which makes me a little nervous. Do we have a get proxy? Like just this, send to repeater. So let's try sending this and then this. We don't get any difference. There's an uppercase letter colon in this header name. Yep. Foo X host search B. It's not going to work. I mean, it should, if this is the right vulnerability, it should return something. So let's look at what else it may be. H2 web cache poisoning. Did we see any proxy? No, did not see any caching No caching stuff. Basic CL content linked, obfuscating to perform. What's this quick detection? Probably something I started and didn't finish. Oh. Let's try this. Python quick detection. Let's see what it means. Help. It means the URL of the lab. Copy link. Python quick. I don't remember writing this, but pretty cool. Dang. HTTP2 is accepted. Do we have the right vulnerability? What if they just threw that in there, but we don't have any other? We have the secret input header for origin. We don't have anything else. Dashboard is still scanning. It's on. Active phase is 1. Gosh, this is slow. So what do we do now? Let's reveal the objective. See if that helps. Well, I'm pretty sure we need to the objective is going to be delete Carlos, right? It can only access the admin page if we are admin. I think request smuggling is the right. Access, steal cookies, bypass. I think this is what we should do. You know what I should do is take those scripts and link them here. An example of each of those scripts. Yeah, I like that idea. Access control. Bypass authorization controls. Authentication. Let's look at, didn't we already look at authentication? Well, I really think it is it's not 2FA, broken brute force. It could be some kind of brute force to let's see if we can enumerate the users at least. Administrator. Name, password, Carlos. So it doesn't look like that's the way to go. Proxy. So the response for administrator was this 200 3779. Same. I mean, we could send them to comparer, but I'm saying it's not that one. So where were we? Oh, we were looking at brute force. May be able to log in, but I really think it's request smuggling. But my quick detect didn't hit anything. So is request smuggling, it's gotta be a red herring, right? I'm all over the place. Let's start going through these. Broken, brute force protection, IP block. What is this one? If count. So, oh, this requires a login successful. So it's not that. Cat broken, brute force protection, multiple. We don't know if it is this. It's not that one. Does this one have a... Could be that one, but I don't know. What is login test? Data. I don't know what that one does. Probably just me screwing around. Offline password crack, no. Password brute force via password change, no. Password reset versus broken logic. I want to say no because I didn't see anything like that. I didn't see any password reset. Account lock. Could be something like that. Cat user name enumeration via... What is this? Auth with open. Oh, so we went through all the usernames. Value. We posted the login. Post login. Password. Check password. Force password. Where's the... If... Where's password is valid? Oh, we must have overridden some other class we have. I don't want to brute force unless that's what it is. This is just going to be the header, right? Or I mean the origin. Origin and origin. Should we brute force? Reveal objective. Let's reveal objective. Although we know what it is. It's going to be delete Carlos. Delete Carlos. A lot of help that did. All right. It's getting late. I've been at this for a long time. So let's view the description and call it a loss. Oh, it was. Why didn't my quick detection script work? Vim quick detection. We detected test. This is H2TE. So why didn't this one work? Probably because I have all of these scans going. Dashboard, pause, make sure flow. Whoops. How do I pause the extension? I guess I can just unload it. Param miner and request smuggler. Yes. Now, didn't I run Python quick detection? Now let's run it. Yeah, so now it finds it. Appears to be vulnerable. H2TE. All right. So what do we got for H2TE? Bypass front end CLTE, TE, CL, 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 H2, maybe, Vim, H2, bypass. Oh, this is the one we are looking at. And this is not transfer encoding, right? Yeah, it's not H2TE. CRLF could be content length. Oh no, this has TE, but it's so it could be this. Blog. Oh, let's see. Session send. All right, could be this one. Let's see what one is it. Via H2TA. It's got to be this one, right? Via TE. Yep, it's definitely that one. So Vim request smuggling. Whoops. H2 response. That one. What do we do? Okay, so text equals none. Smuggling request. Send smuggle request. So we set a body 0, blank line, get/Trevor, path, other headers, transfer encoding chunked, content length, request smuggling. So we get a proper content length. All right, let's send this. Do we want it to be, we do want it to be H2, format H2. Headers, which would be method, path, host, and this is the body. And the key is that we are smuggling this. So we've got a 0 here, which is seen by the back end. The front end will use content length. All right. Proxy. Get. Or we've already got something in repeater we can start with. Let me trash that one. No. Let's go to proxy. Like something like this. Send to repeater. Repeater, we're going to change this to HTTP2, which we do it over here. No. We change it here. And then in the body, put 0, blank line, get something that doesn't exist with HTTP1. Host will be the same. We need transfer encoding chunked and content length. So here, this has got to be encoding chunked content length. And this has got to be a freaking post, right? Yeah, a post to we're going to send it to /Trevor. All right. So we've got the proper length of content length, which is cool because I can then put anything here and make sure that update content length is checked. And then I need a chaser, which will be send smuggle request. Well, send smuggles. Wait. Check we poisoned the response. Send. I wonder why. What's wait seconds? 7? Why do we wait so long? Oh, that's right. Because we want to make sure the victim's request gets captured. And then we send get request, which is just a get to /Trevor. So let's make that request. We'll send to repeater. This will be /Trevor. We're going to make this one an HTTP2 also, right? Send get request. HTTP, yep. Method path host. That looks good. And we're going to group these. So add to tab group, create tab group, RS. We'll do light blue, create. We want to add tab group, whoops. Add to tab group, RS. We want to send this one, wait. Hopefully theirs gets captured, and then we send this one. Let's try it. See how close we are. Send. That's okay. 3, 4, 5. Send. Not found. Send. 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 What am I doing wrong? We need to do it over and over and over until we get a 302. Reset. Let's run this script. Python request smuggling h2 response. That's what we're doing. We're poisoning the response queue so that we capture, whoops, the response. Get address. Awesome. What's the issue? 98, 58, 21, 29, 127. Let's check that one. Utils. Request smuggling. 127G. Host port. It needs a host port. And it looks like we may have sent it 3 things. And we need 4. So let's check here online. 29. We got headers. We sent 3 things. And it requires host request headers, request body. It requires host. Host headers body port. Looks like I just had must have changed the order at some point. Let's try that. Looks like I fixed the error at least. Or at least maybe one of them. All right, 53. It looks like the same thing. I reordered it. Host headers body. H2 request. Let's see if there's any others. There's not. Okay. And I can't proxy these, right? If I remember right, none of these get proxied. None of the H2 ones. Anyway. Checking, found the session. Ooh. Lab is solved. Very cool. So, yeah, this one's a hard one to get without the script. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Recognize it. The type. Well, my quick. I don't know if I can make my quick detection script better, more universal, or if it's already universal. I don't know. Something to think about. So we went 1 for 2, I think, today. We nailed the first one, which, it was a logic flaw, buying the jacket, and failed on this request smuggling one. All right. That is it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.